Hello everyone, this is Tech20 coming to you with a new video. We're going to go ahead and cover how to remove duplicate values in a data set. So today we have our products here. These are transmission fluid, oil, brake fluid, power steering fluid, oil again, axle lubricant, brake fluid again, and gas. So what we're going to do is from the Home tab, we're going to go and click on Data. That'll bring up all of our options to remove it. Now, if you just want to remove the duplicates, you would just go ahead and highlight the area that you want to remove the duplicates from. Click on Remove Duplicates, and it'll ask you here. Go ahead and select all, or if there's other columns that you want to remove it from as well, you could select those, and go ahead and click on OK. And as you'll see here, if it pops up, well, let's go ahead and undo that. Control Z, remove duplicates again, OK. And also 2 duplicate values were found and removed. 6 unique values remain. And note that counts may include empty cell spaces, etc. So as you can see, these were removed, 8 and 9, and you are left with only the initial ones. However, if you need to maintain that information on there, then what you're going to do is you're going to come over here and go to Advanced. And you're going to go ahead and filter the list in place and unique records only. And you'll see that rows 6 and 8 have been hidden. They're still there because you can still expand them out, as you can see here. And then here's 6. And they can be expanded out. However, if you don't want to just hide them, what you can do is click on Advanced again. Select a different location, so copy to another location here. Click on that. I had already pre-selected C1 to C9, and I only want to collect the unique records. So go ahead and click that, and there you are. There are the unique records. It does remove the formatting of the table, leaves your header in place and your items in place. If you found this, I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, please go ahead and leave a like, please subscribe, and if there's anything you want to see me cover, please leave that down in the comments below. Thanks, and have a great day.